5 essential oils beneficial for asthma and bronchitis. Both asthma and bronchitis are inflammation of respiratory airways. In asthma, inflammation of the respiratory lining tightens up the airway muscles and causes swelling, which eventually makes the airways narrower. Conversely, in bronchitis, the lining of the airways get infected by virus or bacteria, leading to wheezing, coughing, shortness of breath, etc. However, some people might experience a more severe medical condition called asthmatic bronchitis, in which both asthma and acute bronchitis occur together. Bergamot and Roman chamomile essential oil mix. Prepare an essential oil blend by mixing 2 to 3 drops each of bergamot essential oil and Roman chamomile essential oil together. Gently rub your chest and back with it in between the episodes of the attacks. Tea tree essential oil. Soak a clean washcloth in lukewarm water and squeeze it to remove excess water. Now, pour a few drops of tea tree essential oil onto that damp washcloth and breathe through it. Once the washcloth cools down, repeat the entire procedure. Eucalyptus essential oil. Take hot water in a large pot and add a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil to it. Then, lean over the pot gently and breathe the steam until you feel relieved and relaxed. You can also use a steam inhaler for this procedure. Frankincense essential oil. Frankincense essential oil is mostly used by wafting its scent into the air with the help of a reed diffuser. However, it can also be used to rub the chest gently for opening up the congested airways. Peppermint essential oil. Add 3 to 4 drops of peppermint essential oil to a cotton pad and breathe the vapor in for the next 10 to 15 minutes. Otherwise, mix the oil with a carrier oil of your choice, preferably jojoba oil / sweet almond oil / olive oil, and rub your chest with the blend at least twice every day.